Hi, Ella.
I think for most things you just take a picture.
What?
Probably for 99% of the time you just take the auto thing.
I know. I'm taking a video. Ella, show mommy.
I thought Josh was in
No. Josh is on the floor. I think she looks more like him. Good job. Hi. You see all the snow outside? Let's look at all the snow. December 27th, 2010. There's a lot of snow. Everything's white. Hi, Joshua. What are you doing?
I think it's still snowing by now.
Oh, probably. Hey, Ella. No, you don't want to look at mommy? Okay. Bye-bye.